In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a Solopreneur dashboard in Glide. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and go to Glide's website. Once you're there, click the Login button to access your account. After logging in, you'll want to open the specific app you intend to edit. Now, look at the left-hand sidebar within your app editor. You'll see a plus icon labeled Add in Navigation. Click on that. From the options that appear, select your content table as the data source for this new navigation item. Next, turn your attention to the right-hand sidebar. Here, you can choose a visual style for your new dashboard section. Feel free to explore the different options to find one that best suits your aesthetic. With your navigations item set up, it's time to add content. On the left sidebar again, click the .add component button. For our dashboard, we'll start by adding a rich text component. Now, in the right-hand sidebar, you'll configure the rich text component you just added. This is where you can add headings, explanatory text, or any introductory information for your dashboard. Type in whatever you need to get your Solopreneur dashboard started. Finally, once you're happy with your new dashboard section and its content, click the Publish button located in the top right corner of the screen to make your changes live. Thanks for watching. If you found this Glide tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step app building guides. See you in the next video.